my dear children. Today we are going to study History Chapter 1, Tracing Changes Through 1,000 Years. The title, Tracing Changes Through 1,000 Years. In class 6th, we studied about ancient history. In class 7th, we are going to study medieval history. And in class 8th, we will study about modern history. So, what are ancient history, what are medieval history, and what are modern history? Ancient history. History started from here. In class 6, we studied about ancient history. Medieval history. Between the period of ancient history and modern history. In class 7th, we are going to start medieval history and modern history in which we are living. In class 8th, we will study about modern history. So, I hope you have understood about all these histories. So, what we are going to study in this chapter? See the title, Tracing Changes Through 1,000 Years. Tracing changes, okay, which is in this 1,000 years. What happened in this 1,000 years? What changes to ancient history to medieval history? Now, we will study about the changes. In this chapter, two maps are given, okay, map 1 and map 2. Map 1 was made by an Arab geographer whose name was Al-Idrisi. Okay, map 1 was made by an Arab geographer whose name was Al-Idrisi. Map 1 was made in 1154 CE. This map was of Indian subcontinent and map 1 was in Arabian language. Okay, map 1 was in Arabian language. After 600 years, another map was made. That is map 2. Map 2 was made by a French cartographer. Okay, map 2 was made by a French cartographer. So, what is meant by cartographer? Cartographer is the person who makes map. Okay, cartographer is the person who makes map. Map 2, it was made in 1720s. Okay, map 2 was also about Indian subcontinent. And this map was in English language. Okay, map 2 was in English language. Okay, clear? Both the maps are given in your textbook. I will show you. Okay, this is the first map, map 1. First map was made by Al-Idrisi. First map was made by Al-Idrisi. Why this map is different from the second map? This is the map 2. Okay. So, these are the sides. North, south, east and west. Okay. North, south, east and west. Okay. Then, in map 1, Sri Lanka was in North India. Map 1, Sri Lanka was in North India. And then, but map 2, Sri Lanka was in South India. Okay. In map 1, Sri Lanka was in North India. But map 2, Sri Lanka was in South India. Okay. And map 1 was in Arabian language. Map 2 was in English language. Okay, clear? And the other thing, this map 2 wasn't similar to the today's map. Okay, map 2 was similar to the today's map. But map 1 was totally different or totally changed to our today's map. Okay, clear? Now in the next topic is given in your textbook. What is that? old and new terminology. Old and new terminology. Okay, here is also a new word, terminology. Okay, terminology. So what is mean by terminology? Terminology means over the period, over the time when terms changing to time, period to period. That is called a terminology. Okay, so what is mean by terminology? Terminology means over the period, over the time when terms changing to time, period to period. That is called a terminology. Okay. In medieval period and in modern period, grammar and languages were different. Okay. In medieval period and in modern period, grammar and languages were different. Okay. For example, earlier we use one word for another meaning, and after that we are using that particular word for another meaning. Okay. For example, if the word Hindustan, if we hear today, what will understand the word Hindustan? We indicate it for India. Okay, Hindustan means India. But in 13th century, there was a chronicler whose name was Minhaji Siraj. Chronicler means historians. Okay, in 13th century, there was a chronicler whose name was Minhaji Siraj. Okay, who used the word Hindustan for the area of Punjab, and the land between Ganga and Yamuna. Okay. Now, in after that, the Babar is used this word, the same word Hindustan, for geography and culture. For geography and culture of the people of Indian subcontinent. Okay, the word is same, Hindustan, same word. The word is same, but it has been used in different meaning. Okay, another example is the word foreigner. Okay, in today's period, if we hear about the word foreigner, then what does we understand? We understand a person who came to another country. A person who came to another country to our country. Okay? That is a foreigner for us. Okay? But in medieval period, the word foreigner. In medieval period, the word foreigner for use for the person who goes to another city. Okay? For the person who goes to another city. Okay, for example, if the person lives in Agra, the person lives in Agra and he goes to Delhi. Okay, then that person will be a foreigner for Delhi people. Okay, clear? This was also a terminology. Okay, clear the topic? The rest of the chapter will continue in next class. Thank you.